Are you seeing the msimg32.dll missing from your system directory? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. I'll guide you through the technical resolution to protect your PC's internal communication. While preparing the manual steps for msimg32, check the description for a tool that assists with background library management. This is the msimg32, a native Windows GDI library that provides specialized functions for alpha blended transparency and gradient fill UI elements. While a standard system file, it is frequently targeted by game modders to wrap graphics calls for older titles. A missing msimg32.dll prevents the Windows shell and legacy desktop apps from rendering their visual styles, often resulting in a broken classic interface appearance. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. Because msimg32.dll is a core Windows resource, we should utilize the built-in recovery tools. Run sfc/scan now from an administrator-level command prompt to scan for system-level errors and refresh your protected file library. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including msimg32, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. Be aware that manual interventions for msimg32.dll often create secondary conflicts. Using an incorrect file version can cause cascading application crashes, making your workstation significantly less stable than before. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. If missing library references are recurring, the software linked below provides general information on maintaining msimg32. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored msimg32 functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support